And welcome back to my channel. If you are looking for a simple yet powerful way to boost your digestion, energy, and overall health, then you are in the right place. Today, we are talking about something that you can easily add to your daily routine fennel ginger water. Yes, it's delicious, refreshing, and packed with health benefits. So, let's dive into 6 reasons why you should drink ginger and fennel water after every meal. So, reason number one is it improves digestion. Fennel and ginger are both known for its digestive benefits. Fennel seeds contains compounds that help relax the digestive muscles, reduces bloating and cramping. Ginger, on the other hand, stimulates digestion by increasing saliva and bile production. Together, these two ingredients create a powerful combination to ease your stomach after meals. So, no more feeling of sluggish or heavy after eating a heavy meal. Number two reason is saying goodbye to bloating. We have all experienced that uncomfortable bloated feeling after a big meal. Fennel seeds are known for their carminative properties, which means they help reduce gas and bloating. Ginger, being anti inflammatory, also soothes your digestive tract. Drinking fennel ginger water after meals helps prevent that gassy feeling and keeps your stomach very light and in a comfortable mode. Reason number three is it can help with the weight management. Now, I'm not saying it's a miracle cure, but fennel ginger water can certainly aid in weight loss. Fennel seeds are rich in fiber, which keeps you feeling fuller for longer time and thus preventing overeating. Ginger boosts your metabolism, helping you burn calories faster way. Incorporating this drink into your daily routine can give you that extra push towards your fitness goals. Number four is it's freshens your breath. Yes, you heard that right. Fennel seeds have been used for centuries as a natural breath freshener. The essential oils in fennel seeds have antimicrobial properties that help kill bacteria in the mouth. So if you had that garlicky or spicy meal, sipping on fennel ginger water afterward can leave your breath feeling fresh and clean. Reason number five, it boosts your immunity. Fennel is loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants, while ginger is known for its anti inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Together, they help strengthen your immune system, keeping you healthier and more resilient to colds and infections. Drinking fennel ginger water daily is an easy way to keep your immune system in top shape. Last but not least, it helps in the hydration and detoxification. We all know how important it is to stay hydrated, and fennel ginger water is a tasty way to do that. Ginger helps detoxify the body by promoting sweating, and fennel acts as a diuretic, helping flush out all the toxins from your body. This drink not only keeps you hydrated but also helps cleanse your system from the inside and out. So that's it for today. 6 fantastic reasons to start drinking fennel ginger water after every meal. Why I'm putting more emphasis on this? Because it's simple to make, super healthy, and your body will thank you for after experiencing amazing benefits. But remember, you need to do this consistently to see the results, at least 6 months. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you are going to start this. And also, don't forget to subscribe for such amazing tips on how to live a healthy and happy life. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.